Welcome to Film Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Vietnamese fried rice. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, shrimp, green onions. We have steamed rice. This is a long grain rice. We have eggs, sliced cucumber, garlic, soy sauce, olive oil, some fish oil. We have chili powder, and also we're gonna use kikkoman sauce. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot wok here, let's put olive oil. Okay. Okay. And we add our onions. Okay. Let's give it a minute. All right. We can add now our shrimp. Okay. We'll make the we'll cook the shrimp probably for 3 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Time to add our garlic. Okay. Give it a minute. Let's put this on one side, and we'll cook our eggs. There you go. Okay, we'll do a scrambled egg here, and we're gonna mix it with the fried rice. Okay. All right. Scrambled egg is done. Okay, and mix it with the rest of the ingredients here. Okay. All right, beautiful. All right, now we can add our rice and put our rice in. This is jasmine rice, long grain jasmine rice. Let's mix them together. All right. Okay. So let's add a little bit more of olive oil. Okay. go. Then let's put Kikkoman sauce. Okay. Mix them together. And a little of light soy sauce. Okay. Wow, smells real good now. Now the only secret with or the difference between Vietnamese fried rice and Chinese fried rice is the spiciness. So we're gonna use chili powder, okay, to make it a little bit spicy, okay? All right, there you go. Ooh, I can smell now. All right, and then we're gonna put our green onions. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. While this is done, we're gonna transfer this in our serving bowl, and we can eat our fried rice. Here is our finished product, Vietnamese fried rice. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.